Okay, graphic test first. On left side we have DXVK, on right side we have OpenGL. Performance difference 2.53 times, depends. Overall, Civilization 6 benchmark is based on performance, and faster machine you have, the faster it finishes. There is no pre-recorded sequence where you compare it apple to apple and match it perfectly like in other benchmarks. As you can see, DXVK is almost ready to finish. It finishes now, and we are waiting for OpenGL to finish. Overall, it's 2.53 times difference. Now the time of second test, which is AI test, and difference here is enormous. 5-6 times, sometimes 10. The reason of this comparison is that some subscribers seriously suggest me to compare native Linux games versus Windows games. All that being said, that I'm using latest drivers available for Pop! OS, I'm using latest implementations of Proton, in my case Proton G1032, and in some scenarios, even for DX11 titles, I'm still struggling to achieve same level of performance which Windows outputs. So now you know why I use only DXVK or VK3D and never use Linux native titles, cause Linux native by the most part is OpenGL. Thank you.